Hey, good morning. Good morning. It's Chili Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a swipe day. It's it's swipe day. I've done a few swipes with embellishments, and then I did a plain swipe, a simplistic swipe that was inspired by my friend Kathleen Osmore of Cos Creations. She does some beautiful work. So I had such a good response to my minimalistic swipe, so I'm going to do the whole process again, but in different colours. I'm starting off with these 30 by 40 centimetre canvas. It was already come black, pre-gessoed black. So yeah, so this will be interesting. So I'm just going to get in the zone and start painting, and I'll try and explain as I go along. What I've done with the colours, every single colour that I've made up today, I've added a good squirt of the Dragonfly glaze. It's folk art Dragonfly glaze. This one's red, violet, blue shift, so they're like colour shifts. So I've added a good squirt into actually every colour that I've made up, because I find that when it's dry it gives a real shimmery, glistening effect in the paint. So I've added a good squirt of that to all of my colours. One colour, one of the blues that I'm going to use today is the folk art metallic blue sapphire. I just thought it was a gorgeous colour. So, and then I'll explain the rest of the colours as I go. But yeah, remembering that every colour has got a good squirt of that Dragonfly glaze. So the colour I am going to coat my canvas with is the navy that I make up. I make this up out of phthalo blue, a good squirt of black, or a blob of black, and a squirt of very dark green, and it just makes this really lovely dark navy colour. So I am going to spread this on my canvas first. Probably should have done black because I've got a black canvas, but I didn't. I did navy. Okie doke. I'm just going to spread this out. I'm not going to blow it or tilt it or anything. I'm going to spread it out. But already I can see, because I've added that Dragonfly glaze, a good squirt in here, I can see the silvery purpley bits just glistening in there. I'll try and come down and do a close-up of it when I've finished. That'll give you an idea. So I hope you guys are all having a good week, and we've had a wonderful week, so all's good at the moment with everybody. I hope you are too. Okie doke, that's done that part of my, that's just coated it, just given it a base coat really for me to work with. So my colours will be, in this swipe, will be gold. So I did mix this up with the pouring medium that is in the drop down box, and the only exception is I still give this a squirt of the Dragonfly glaze. Even though it is metallic gold, I still give it a squirt. So I don't want to use too much of any of the colours because I'm trying to be minimalistic, believe it or not. So my next colour will be just white, but even this I've given a good squirt of the Dragonfly glaze. This is a very big cup to try and, I should put them in small bottles. I keep saying it every time and then I forget to do it. I'm going to add that gorgeous sapphire, metallic sapphire blue. I think this will be nice because I've got the navy background. I'll start from the other side. Beautiful colour. And then I will go a wee bit of white again under that. And that is the kookaburras. Katie Kookaburra. I'm going to put a little bit more blue in there. I have a very hard time with minimalistic because I just want to put all the colour in there and go crazy. So I'm being very, very restrained today. I might try just swiping the colour that I've got over and just see how we go. So I've got lots of bits of card cut up here. So I'm going to try, I'll just try the smaller card. So I'm going to take some of the blue. Actually, I'll just take some of the blue and swipe it down. You see how that's coming up. Do I? Or don't I? Or should I try just swiping some of the gold over it? Oh, that blue is so yummy. So yummy. These cells coming up there, gorgeous. Just try a little bit thicker card with the blue. They're just nice and controlled. Just enjoy what you're doing. I can tell you, minimalistic is very difficult for me. It's difficult. I just want to go for it and but it's quite therapeutic swiping. It's just so peaceful and calming and grounding. It's quite lovely. Jubbly, 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 jubbly. I just absolutely love this sapphire blue through there. It's very, very nice. That's the wind blowing that curtain again. It drives me crazy. Sorry about that, guys, but you know, it's real life for sure. Just gonna get this tiny, oh, busted it. I think I want to re-swipe again over that gold because the blue coming through, the navy coming through over that gold. Wowzers, trousers. Simplistic, but so sheeny shiny. Oh, just that one bit there. There's my little duvet. It is just a glistening gorgeousness. I'll give it a little hit with my Wonder Wand. No silicone whatsoever in this. It has got Floetrol, that's what's making these lovely, lovely cells in there. That is gorgeous. So, how did I do for simplistic? Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. So, here we are. Look at this. Oh, I think this is going to be such a stunner when it's dried. Look at it. Look at these cells. So gorgeous. Very happy with that. So, there's Jilly Goes Simplistic. It is not like me, as lots of people said, oh, I don't like it, Jilly, because it's not you. But you have to try these things. I do like my Bright and Beautifuls, absolutely for sure. But this is, oh, it's quite classy and posh. Might even send it to Nigella Lawson. I think she might like this. Very good. I love it. I love it. I'm being silly, but I do love it. Thank you, Kathleen, for the inspiration. I know there's lots of artists out there that have done swipes and have done them for many years and lots before us acrylic artists come along. But it is, you know, that's the one that I like watching and get mesmerised is by Kathleen Swipe. So there you go. Beautiful. I'm loving it. Hope you love it too. Until tomorrow, another exciting episode from the Jilly Cube studio. So until tomorrow, stay safe, guys, and stay safe and create. Bye for now.